Thanks, Dave. They've reached their twilight years, still living independently, but unable to get around quite like they used to. Being pushed toward the front of the line to receive that COVID vaccine really doesn't matter if they can't get to a clinic for that shot. But now, as WMAR2 News' Jeff Hager tells us tonight, LifeBridge Health is bringing it to them.
At a time when people are literally competing to get a much sought-after COVID-19 vaccine, this mobile unit is bringing it to them. The sign on the mobile unit reads, "Care happens here."
We'll be vaccinating approximately 45 people today.
Hello, sir. How are you?
And those who signed up for it here at the Harlem Garden Senior Living Facility, like 72-year-old James Gray, are breathing a sigh of relief.
I was waiting to see how long it's going to take to get this vaccine because so many of us need this vaccine.
Have you received any other vaccines in the last 2 weeks?
Shortly after the pandemic struck, LifeBridge Health traveled to see more than 300 of its own patients and found half of them suffered from underlying chronic medical conditions, and nearly a third of them hadn't seen a doctor in more than a year.
Okay, you ready? Good. 1, 2.
Now it's expanding its scope to others and hopes to build upon the vaccines that it's offering here today.
Over the coming weeks and months, we will be launching a variety of services utilizing the mobile van that will include things such as well visits for patients, blood pressure checks, potentially diabetic retinopathy screening, and all those kinds of necessary services.
An outreach program that has reached some of those with fading hopes of ever getting the shot that could save their lives.
Now I got the shot, I feel a whole lot better. I feel good, and I hope it turns out good for everybody, because it's something we all need.
Reporting in West Baltimore, Jeff Hager, WMAR2 News.